Jodie,
Hello.
you've just done your speed of sight driving experience.
Yes.
Come on, share with us, what did you think?
Well, I felt like Jenson Button, to be honest, or Lewis Hamilton, whichever of the two you prefer.
Far better looking than that,
Oh,
please.
thank you. I was breathing all over the visor, but I didn't have any audio at first, so he probably thought I wasn't listening to him, but there was just no radio. So yeah, that was absolutely thrilling. I've never done anything like that before. I have driven my mum's car off-road, a little Ford car, you know, Ford KA, but she was with me the whole time, and obviously this is less precious. Obviously you've got the other person who can take over, and there's no clutch or anything to worry about, or brakes. So
wow. What would you say to any of your friends about thinking doing this?
Definitely, it's worth the journey up. Even if you live in the Midlands, it's worth coming up and doing it. And it you know, really gets your heart pumping. It's a real thrill, you know. And obviously, sight's no barrier to doing it. You know, I can imagine with the audio guidance, a totally blind person could do it. I mean, I did rely a lot on the useful vision I do have, I must admit, because I was following the markers. But it is very accessible, so
thank you.
I highly recommend it to anyone.
Jodie, you were brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed that. Thank you for the opportunity.